Yangbi Bopuna Mopusara and the Saram Impact News, Manuhunda Taramnoxari. The Impact News ki Manuhunda Canada Wafam say ban on Catholic school highway Matang the Canada Madudi Laloba group Amana, the Catholic school sing say and the Kichaliba Tasiki Kumanga Poda, Tingjalo, the Kumua Humanunda, Tamiba Chaisha sing Dotoko Hibagi, Wafam Sita Canada Tanzani, Lunar Langin Bible guessing day. Aigi on my extreme right is Father Victor, Director, Catholic Education Society Manipur. Welcome to Impact News, Father Victor, and I appreciate your joining. Father Victor, hek oi da mulingin video say Assistant Professor Sanabam Gunajit, Advisor Reformist Students Front ne RSF ne I Gunajit Pisu Taramnuk Sari aduga hek yetta thangna phaminijeri say W Nabakuma Parents Representative ne ngasi ojana buko taramnuk sari yanan basai Gunajit lak sage matudi hujik leriba phibam se amana thingbai wafam ne tang kumanga February tang kumanga swai sta thingba chapchana thingba horani aduga swai manung state da numitarani piri habni matudi parents sing da maruina angang sing dokthok pi ko habi wafam dune aduga ngasai gi menoina reform student front ki advisor moina satra sing yai phanaba gi matang khalak pakanda thingba gi kari wafam lakpa aduga masi kamai yasanaba kari krase khare kolaga su thingbai wafam se Bapung Pana Masi Lak Targadi Satra around 40,000 Gumbagi, Chudenki, Catholic school, the Sing Marai Bakaromda, Sigumba Sing Punda Yangakanda, Tangai Patan Yasana Bagita Jam, the Tiba Pabra, Lega Drasine.
Hamamutada Impact Vibu, I was Wapam Sikan and Navida Mota, invite with the Takapunducari, no I Funduce. Tasengamak as a student body. Amawaina Mahiroi Valley the 40,000 hill nekane all together nearly 1 lakh muki opunsimu mang bai basi student body amoina khodi I'm strongly condemned torakani masidesida lady wa wafam si khogi lalo loop amana thami wa wafam si makhoi gi si charges pudi ma'am yame charges sing sigi manung da makhoi ni amicable solution gi proposal si 10 seat is every school downtrodden, poor, war victim, using security forces ki OBI. Hariba mapa mama pidat padat laba masa sing sibu free of cost like the mulu adu regade khoi loi handu ke ba fam mai thamai se ada wafam propose to riba disumaga masagi mogi way of approach se kitang thayai ne braina khoina loje hai Makoyi dagi pai haiba nearly 5 kilo lumme haiba bomb duna pokaira men khalasi any school da siduje lamdam sigi khunai sigi mahiroi ngatani amonda mu Catholic society na run to boys school singsina 1970s onward tagi horakanda till that internationally oina yengbu matamda toppers is series ta puthora lakhrabne beginning from Don Bosco Simirong hausi babuda year amta kanda bida toppers puthora lakhrabne many IS have been produced many doctor many engineer lots of people has been produced by the Catholic academic societies aduna asigumoba khunai sibu yamna awang bathakta pukhalakna ba kan honariba educational body amabu hekta thinjin gi baibasi lamdam sigi mangjabani nai appeal tawjani aduga masigi waroi sin si yamalai hai tare simply their demand is for the 10 seat reserve ada matam punamakta
10 seat reserve to each of the Catholic school hariba moine
reserve pamis to free of cost education PBU moi monetary demand to habani moi kem to zero habani ba aduga masidais da khoina chahi khudingi thengna jarakpa ai samakna student body da leringai matam dagi horakanda thengna jarakpa issue si emission gi matam da khatam oeba why the question is why masidais da aina pusaningi se stakeholders mari leba parents Catholic schools government and other elements yam sabna har kanda parents in sigi mentality sida kayene like have matamda fashion namu oireba ai sa si nimla wastami uza ai ji ko adagi ai sa si seju septami it's not that masimona seju septami ba entire 100 500 600 students we put level na table fashion gi pattern namu lakpa adagi parents sing sigi sina masaji emission fungible to any means any available means. So this the fault is not with the Catholic school, the fault is not with the others. Parents get over role am lady say so. Ani suba point da government na ngasi phawung da concrete education policy am ta puthok deba. Makhoi na ragging gi policy di puthok ngami, dowry gi policy puthok ngami. Why cannot education policy concrete weba? So there no quota. Quota anda thamano ba. Thuiba problem puna maksi quota haiba wahi si quota haiba terms dagi nebo. Sagi lalu people's war group na accuse story basi pasal paiba masa amasu katamak emission tahu fangi hai bane. Maybe it may be true or wrong, I don't know. Although I never proof level so wapum sinda jade. Adubo lady bo wapum sida sida sagi kogi government gi ba concrete policy ma thamakanda observing na taga monitoring body ma thamakanda emission se transparent when biro. Then thirdly, Catholic society si mayam na yam na phai hai taragadi. Makhoi su samna kanda khoi gi DPS Sonipat, DPS Dwarka, DPS Dholokwa, DPS mayam hangi ba. Why cannot they open up? Sit na to accommodate to biro ba. Nimlabas kano haro MZ Avenue haro masang Nimlabas uri po na hang to biro. Ay haji the solution du ni go. Or natraga ngasagi makhoi gi emission system sida akoi purely entire seat se khoi reserve am ta thamaroi entirely lottery that laure khoi adu full law bro adagi tin seat se reserve tau de haraga na categorize oina khaidu go thamo karam angang bunu mo ne reserve law du sai ba ma. Then fourthly sina ngasagi khoi gi sida stakeholder yamna over role lauri ba student atopa student body sing wagera civil societies wagera maira pai wagera club wagera we can all come together khoi lakpa yai ba aduga karam sing nabu hadi makhoi gi demand si khoi gi war victim haibam lere adagi widow sing gi masa musu haibam lere adagi kana su le chitra ba haibam lere makhoi mayam sing si loi yai habinda adagi father Victor nai invite outna I have visited there are several places makhoi mafum anam ba chalu re ba adama khoi si really they are working for that I have seen by my own eyes ai mi mun uzare ba laita laira ba mi ma free of cost education pyramid ba ada khupi mong du kamai taw no du da mo khoina kitang pen da bra adu de khangjadre ana sage ne haje solution por keta gadi apum masi sidai da lairiba stakeholder masi gi dai to oriba akhoi mari ni na lup mapung oiba mari sina por kani na masi ai siga che pathaja bukhtang lai.
Okay, Father Victor is this Sanabam Gunajit, Assistant Professor Advisor, Reformist Students Front. According to him, all these issues triggered due to this admission quota system. Due to that is one point is the state government also do not have the concrete education policy in Manipur, and that could be the only reason that the Catholic schools are doing on their own while this admission comes. And in case, one more thing is, in case the society, Catholic society, maintaining a transparency, not giving quota to others also, if you stand on in that case, then such a kind of issues, I think, can be avoided in the future. What is your say?
First of all, I thank the Impact TV to express our policies and view today to the people. Actually, we really, if the particular community wants 10 people, they want to keep free of cost and they are very poor and the war widow and whatever downtrodden, we are the first one to come up. We are not the last one to come up. The first, because we are also doing lot of activities, lot of social work we are doing. At the same time, our principle, our teaching, what your right hand does should not know your left hand. Otherwise, what we do, good work is not a good work, it's a show off. And we never expected reward. And when we came to know that we are not helping poor and the downtrodden, I had a chance to take Kunajit to one of our institution. And there we are looking after 70 widows' children, poor children, addicted children, free of cost in education. And in fact, immediately he said to Kunajit said, let me photo ma haapke. Adi impact the show tagani. Then immediately the sister said, don't do that. Why? Because we believe those children also should not come in the social media, and their dignity also should be protected, and their dignity should not be taken away by exhibiting they are like that. And coming to the first point, this one, sir, sincerely we say the 10-seat policy that was done by my predecessors, and none of the Valley School aware of it. And I took charge on May 25th. And after May 25th, I took my charge, and I was not aware of it. And we have got a person called Mr. Indubhushan. He's a consultant of schools, and he's working down many years, and he himself was not aware of it. When we had a meeting with Gunajit, Professor Gunajit, and he himself, when we told to whom we came to know this policy, we are not aware of it. Then our policy also, we have got a certain way of doing the policy. We have got equality, and another called equality, and together with equality, in the equality we give seat for everybody equally. Whether they are poor or rich, a particular seat is, in the lottery is done, they are in a equality. And there is also term called equity. We should understand that equity, you know. There are people who are helping me. In return, I also should help them. Then only the institution can grow. It's a private institution. For example, the problem arises, the state government so good, Honorable Chief Minister immediately called all the principal of the valley. He directed the Education Minister, Honorable Education Minister. Honorable Education Minister has done the groundwork, protect and give the security. Last couple of weeks, those security forces are sleeping in the cold and heat. And if that particular officer comes tomorrow and asks for an admission, how can I say no, sir? Or let us put it another way, the equity. I have got 37 children in the boarding. When they get sick, I immediately call a doctor. When they cannot go to the hospital, the doctor immediately comes. But when the child is all right, the child goes to the doctor, and he helps us so nicely. But when in return, when it comes, when we need to give an admission, I cannot deny. This is called equity. Equality meant for everybody. At the same time, there is a word called equity. Whoever helps me, I need to help them. So that one comes. Then comes the pressure group. And there only our system, everything goes off. Otherwise, equality, we can increase the equality more. We can increase the equality more if there is no pressure. So that's the thing, sir. And the second one is, we are also helping the poor and downtrodden. At the same time, we don't tell it out anybody. So other things also, and we are also accused of culturally we are not cooperating. Sir, we have got 72 schools here today, and more than 1 lakh students are studying. And I am proud to say the Catholic Education Society, the one in the society, all the schools are under Board of Secondary Education. We are not gone any other board. And in our schools also, we are also encouraging the cultural aspects. And coming to, I was not only new to here, and first I was working in Catholic School Kanchipur also, 8.5 years. When I work Catholic School Kanchipur, that school is my family. When I transfer to Chandel, that school is become my family. Now I'm in St. Joseph School, those children, they are my family. So we work and bloom where we are planted. We don't have the feeling that I am put here and I should think over it. Every fathers and sisters, they transfer in a particular period of time, and wherever they are put, they love the people and work for the people and sincerely and dedicated. And it's because of the dedicated management and also motivating the teachers, these Catholic schools are standing in the top, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm coming again. Oza no ko amaru no hujik lai singa sai ki equality ki wafam duma equality se as a whole madu I do dum phasana maintain tawla chalaga di as a whole yam phare bani. So far as equity ki wafam lakpa kan se yes khangna ba chana ba mateng pangki ba khopai matang su legani samcha hai oza father victim thamai ba sisu lan budina te, but at the same time equity ki wafam lakpa kan da ming chan ba khot phase kanagum ubodari khangna chana ba loin chali khangna sana bu dong cha ba pi se oza manipur ke society hai roi dabra aduga plus hujiki lai ba tang kumnga ki thingba wafam se lakanda as a representative of parents ki representative oina parents in the kari apprehension phawi kari moi the kari phawi aduga yana hanim bai wafam sing kai sing adum tang ojang khar thambi tai khar kupna
sir aina haijan ningi se yan han bada koi ngasai gunarjin na thamgi wafam no so mi stakeholders sing si parents su one of the stakeholders ni the school authority ni government ni ko ahum sing important tripod kumani ahum si loina parents ne the school authority ne government ne students ne mayam si punjalaga masigi apun ba stakeholder ma oiri ado hojik leiriba global gi aduga India gi adi contextually Manipur da laiba education gi system sida lak matam da khwai dagi aina nungai ta base parents sing na tamba pami ba school se karam ba school no bo school du da tamura kanda angang sing du phana tholak phana haidi magi total personality du da ko yi complete oiba mapung phaba personality ama leiraga lak ba dunia ba parents sing na pam expectations masi parents ko di maki loine expectation loine lairi ki lamda phaba moral gi lamda phaba se hoji Manipur da pak sanna sanna sinbagi unfair min season bagi port am leiri si aina khangjaba bawda ai gi isa ahum si ai loina ma Catholic school sing da tamak basi da moina hoji phau lairi tamba da Catholic school dagi phaurak ba angang sing si da parikha da unfair min season na ba yaw season no haibada haira phawda season na ning da bagi sigi moral am moida leiri sini yam important oise education the number phangak pa ngasai gunajina su hari ba first yam tari ba this is also one factor adu da nati mapung phaba mi ama oige haira kanda di ngasai gi morally yam phaba good oiba pot am khak changi da yam siang na ra ji khunai da mangna ri ma yam ji kari da mang haira ga di longmi yamna khunai mangan ba budi kolom da chaba thaiba haiba singsina immoral oiba ek mayam am tora khunai je mangi ne da kesu kana su yet pa yaroi sini mangi ba khunwang se aduna Catholic school sing si the parents sing na tanari se loina ngasai gunajin haiba any at high level min sizin na raga kaidoba ming sana bo honai haiba sida hoi parents sing da su madu loina mak encourage to budi phatte adu parents sing da leijari bo wakan du di aphaba school sing si da larik tam hora kanda masa sing do aphaba mi amam oidana khunai sigi mapung phaba citizen ama oidana khunai sida khara contribute to bong ngamakadra haiba expectation du ne lairi se ado phare masai da aina parents oina sahi kaya sum parents on lerak pasida ngasai aina su thengna ba gunajin haiba wa no na supplement to na ngase any pressure group oi bay amma oi bay Catholic school singi apha phatagi wafam je mid session da leraga noi larik phajana tambi de adai di larik adu tawi ata tawi habi wase ithok thok ti ming san bagi matam si yaur aba matam da school sing
whenever admission times come
adai da apha bagi wafam je nai haiba ada aina moida loina mak ai parents sing da su school authority da su students organization sing da su civil society organization sing da su including akoi gi leriba pressure group sing si da su akoi gi radical group hai tare ne ko si da su ain appeal to zeni gi radical group na leri su Manipur praja gi phana bane Catholic educational society sing na school run tawri su ngasai gunajin na su hai gre Manipur miyam gi phana bane parents akoina aphaba school da isa tamani si su Manipur punamak ki phana bane akoi loina mak punamak sina Manipur abi state gi loina mak phana ba khana re raga kari maram gi akoi gi marakta yana da ba posil laidana angang sing si da larik tamandra ga mangan ga doino sigi common oiba point se saida akhoi punamak se loina tawraga Catholic school sing si su laiba sida magi working system da any maybe in admission da oiba yai teaching da oiba yai anything da laiba demerits mayam da akhoi na tawraga phagatna ba sem ga se sima akhoi na khanan ba aina loina mak school authority da su radical groups da su students organization da su parents sing da su akhoi na aina appeal tawjana ba let us work together for the better future of our state, for the better future of our this new generation. Akoi work to min batamani. Akoi puna mangna moyi phana ba khali ne na akoi gi marakta leba difference kar du di we can solve everything sitting together across the table. See across the table khana ba ya ba pot ngak ta ni aduna sidai sida akoi gi sakti oi ba pot sijin na dana komai tawra gi hen na phaba ma tawsige hai ba pose khana si hai ba sini atai da aina government amuk thamning bana government ki school mayam se akhoi loina mak masi ai government pu criticize to bai wana sa de with due respect to the minister concerned and the other ministers of the government hojik se yengna matam da Catholic school sing sina private school sing ki marak ta top ta lera kan da akhoi gi local gi apa school so dum lai aduga government ki school sing si de akhoi hojik si bedong na to leire aduna parents sing the labor burden se double never economic burden se kainobo sarkar na sarva shiksha abhiyan gi makhada paisa mayam thadari mayam si government school da thadaraga free lilarik tamanba adai di free uniform piba free textbook piba loina makse pidara masi gi paisa mayam se aremba da mang leire madu government school sing sina pharak na tawraga di akoi gi parents sing na so aphaba school da tamhanninga ga di ngasai parents akoi da leriba economic burden to some extent lessen oine ba ta thagane ba aduna so government na so policy ma tawraga hojik government of India gi policy da private public partnership si laga public ka private ka competition taunaraga hena phaba product ama nation si gi hena phaba future ma semgat na honari nina public ki leriba Catholic educational society na leriba school sing na phariba sumaina khoge private ki public government ki school sing na su siga mana model school ma mayam laga competition taunaraga di competition si wangkhala ga di hena phaba koi magul leba sakra puthora ka doini masida koi na soiri se government ki da public ki port si da Catholic school educational society na run tawwa koi na hawji khitang phai na khana de school sumaina government na thambang am da basidi koi government ki su aswan mani praja koi ki su aswan mani parents sing su khana ninga yam lai ko aduna aina appeal tawning badi pressure group radical group ta su students organization ta su civil society ta su school authority ta su koi punamang loina work tawminari se ngasai koi father jo kaino Victor na su haire gunajin koi students organization su no haire satra mayam gi phanabani ngasai moina pura iba bom du pokhara ga di sido ja koi gini adai di tien graba 25 phawgi matam si da 30,000 about 40,000 students in loina lokthokro hairaga di kadai do na 40,000 mingjan doise karai de school da akoi Catholic school da loi tamiba valley da laiba 40,000 students si 25 phawgi manung da school sing da transfer toge har kan da is it practicable oi bra si su ai di radical group da khanda haning ya moi gi with due respect to them si oi thok bra practicality do laibra leitabra haiba amaka khana haningi aduna ngasai talaiba demand du so akoi father Victor na so hai gre akoi loina mak equality gi pot si di lottery taw matam da loi tawi adubu ngasai gi benefactors hai gadra akoi gi equity hai gadra help tawrak ba mi gi kitang matiang pang na ba haiba du so adu su mioi ba yoba poni adu su taw da ba ya da ba poni adubu puna maksi loina hojik yana da ba mayam ama leiramnina yana ba ama da purak na ba kari do ba tage haiba du di akoi phamin na raga paudok phaujin tauna raga sigaina phai sigaina phatte thama iba post da sibauna accommodate taw ngami school authority na sibaudi accommodate taw ngamde ada noina haire iba post sibauna reasonable oi sibauna unreasonable oi haisidi akoi reasoning tawraga yengna rerga parents ko nakan dai su mot loba yai praja miyam gi hoji public domain da leire ni na public ki wai opinion na koi sagat pa darkar le public na kari pami voice of the people is the voice of the god public na Catholic school authority noi Catholic educational society na lali hairasu madu akoi public na hai tare radical group pressure group na noina tawrido lali hairasu akoi su taw tare akoi silent majority ne leibe matam natre akoi tawriba phattaba tawradi nang na tawrido phatti na thinmangam bagi courage du di public should also have that courage civil societies should also have that courage students organization also should have that courage sigi courage lerga semdok minaraga aphaba tungama lainanaba aphaba Manipur gi tungam ka future ama koi punna sagat mina se di appeal tawjaningi maramdi education laiba sectors idi lan gi matam da education lai si disturb tawdaba mafam ni country ani mak khenaba ideology laibana maram oidana dai expansionism gi idea laidana lan tongna dana bom thadana ra bauda school gumba hospital gumba ai basi di akoi disturb tawdana undisturb area free zone oina thambani aduna punna maktaina appeal tawjaningi si education is free zone oyan si disturb oyan gum si maramdi masida tammiba angang sina akoi gi khunai tungi future ni masida laiba angang sina phalakta bai si akoi gi tung khunai si tung se mangja gadabani si puna makse loina khallaga aphaba nakan namada wak to minaraga dialogue toraga masi wafam se loisan na bo honna si aba appeal sina ina parent am oina nakal ani mukta tawjani ba appeal se sir
okay oja kunajit aina lak se maroina handaki this I think this question will be common for all the respected guests but I will just put forward this question after the break ki matung da impact news ki man huna yengbi de punamo ki phamda thuna puduna laksake impact news meng ta duna lebiyo break ki matung da yengbiriba punamapu amkana taram noksari. So my this after the break I am just putting it's a common question, Roja. It's a common question to all the respected panelists, all the respected guests, and I think I better take. We are just at the earlier before the break. We have mentioned that that Lalhoba group. I think Lalhoba group is creating a lot of confusion to the viewer also. Lalhoba look particularly is a KCP Kanglipa Communist Party People's War Group. Masi groups ne nimero na ja khoi gi 25 February hung da masi khoi thingda da bi hung du ko kai na hai riba keno sing se handa ki common question se oja guna jet baru na given the charges like given the makhoi gi this one email press handout is already carried out in one of the newspaper local daily newspaper that they are given some charges. We are just picking up some important charges like the authority the outfit when asked to provide free education to 10 children, I think that already mentioned that to each Catholic school. I think how far it is possible, how far it can work out. And another one is Catholic school authority, mission school authority handed over 3 members of ISKEDA, means KCP People's War Group, to the security forces. And at the end, they are saying that they are not going to listen from public also. They are not going to listen any kind of complaint from public side. So looking into this things, my question is it possible to bring a solution?
Definitely, a solution can be brought. Like they just wanted 10 seat is from war victim, armed violence victim, then from widow, from poor section, which the Catholic society has been already doing since the day they have established. They are not just making it in a proper channel. They are not making it publicly. First thing. Second thing is they are working with like you say equity. The one who helped me, I will help them in return. How is the post la puma tam dani makoi na sagi makoi se communist ki ideology the belief to bo na makoi concept ta proletariat haiba ma ler mani bourgeoisie haiba current concept ma lai khani the theory of surplus value haiba adagi makoi capitalist materialistic interpretation of history ka haiba concept se to phung la kan na khumna mayam gi like tambam ne si di len be roi ka haiba wakhan du ne moi leis adu moi demand to is only 10 seat haiba ne ba masi provide to bo matam da Manipur Catholic Society sina awabu uri sikari no. First thing. Second thing, government na masigi damakta concrete policy ma puthokpi raga no disturbance zone ma thambi se kyam kai yebo. Habdi fare student organization kuntra bule su nifu bule su yankai bule su no ba. Na khoi mayam se table am to kawiro honorable education minister. Na kawiro table am da. Now from this year onward, I was saying they hold kanda. No quota, I did my quota low have another. I know quota system to think of the Nunatim Pambu. Live elements in here, Nuna Tupu. Because of solely student organizations in Hybadi, my heroic Kunai, the Mokta, a public the Mokta Katoga and Tola Kramata neighbor. Makois in Dudan, Catholic Catholic schools in the protect of you, Napi use him, you must see free, fair conduct of the Nilkas in the view have the Yaru de Canali gave. Canali gave Yaru. Aduna makoina 10 seats provide tawragadi moi handoke haba wafam du leiri bani na ategi phaba punba dudi am minor oina lawre ai sum khabar pa jab dain thengna jab dai tare Facebook da kai moi thagalak puda moina stick tawrisi 10 seat haba du nebo adu moi demand tawrisi 2014 15 da yor male I gi knowledge ni I just research taw jabani as a professor moina political science subject tak sab nai ju research da ka be taw jeba matema तो मतलब Catholic society की Catholic schools सिंगे जो लांडे मखु की जो provide तो रही है बा मोने है ना high provide तो है बने बा कोटा थम गनो है बने बा अरे father concept equity है बा प्रॉब्लम ले रही है बा equity की concept से ले रही है दी I don't think that there will be a solution. Forget about the equity. You just do straight away. You are working. You are coming here to work for the betterment of the society. Equity is I know this I concept to never. Akui RSF na stand tawjari pot se karino har kanda ngasai valley de 40,000 remaining 50 to 60,000 hill gi area mo all together ne mo ne ben to ba je valley de mo protection ta ure ngam hill de mo protection ngam dre ngalo sok tu je kana no akoi mai akoi khatane ba mangje de akoi khatane ba auna aina sa particular UG group to aina appeal ta je ningi je makoi gi extreme step adi ek yadraga pokha ani habe ba wakhan je masi thadu piyo fare okay fine yadre ba school do mo ne tawning ba tawro ba but adi angang the boom pokhain ba jibu kana adi ai sa du ai now du pokhai bi yawgro kamai taw duri ge moi sa yap claim to ri bo NIA de moi angang ge listen pitu hai ri ba adi moi angang su tammi ba tamdro moi angang su tammi ba adi pokhai de moi angang yaw khadi wan to ba no this is the practical upon ba adi father na sam wari se kai you know bo ten se se pi mutam da adi government of Manipur na education policy ma puthopu matam da sam wari se kai no bo POSOCO have actually implement why cannot Manipur government introduce a state education policy? Man because education have state list yawe list ahum level union list have ma concurrent list have ma state list have ma ahum yawe state list yawe is state ki supreme authority area ni education have je masi ki post lai taragadi ai wakan masi cha
सरकार ना यम कंट्री ओबा हाना सोहाय करे एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में पुथोक पिरगदी सोहाय की प्रॉब्लम सिंग से फनायाम न थोन दब दम मतेंग पांगनी आइबो दुनी सम नारे कांदा एंड अनदर वन इज इक्विटी पॉलिसी दो हेक थादोक त्रिंगै दी मसिकी प्रॉब्लम है एडमिशन की मतंग की प्रॉब्लम सिम दम एग्जिस्ट तौली है मतंग ने Father Victor is being mentioned by this Professor Gunajit that until and unless you do not abandon the equity policy, such a problem will remain exist in the future also. What is your answer first?
That is correct. If we have come here to serve, we are not going to challenge anybody. First of all, I would like to tell you that some 3 persons were handed over. We are peace-loving people. We don't, even now also, we are ready to compromise, have a dialogue and settle the matter peacefully. And you will never heard about Catholic school, not Catholic school, Kanjipur, the Catholic Education Society or the Catholic school has ever went and challenged anybody openly. These many years of history, can any instance Catholic Education Society or any Catholic school, the school authority went and challenged any group? Whenever problem comes, we are accommodative. We are ready to listen to them and to do whatever necessary in order to show that we peace and love. And we don't have any vengeful. We always have a positive attitude towards others. But today, if there is 10 seats should be given to the poor and downtrodden, we are ready to accept. We are ready to accept. There is no problem. It is easy only. And in fact, we are doing that. If a particular necessary need, in case let us increase, that's why we have come here to serve. Why do you want to stand against that? And then come into the equity policy. If everybody agrees that everybody is common, everybody equal, for us no problem. We'll be more happy only. There's nothing to say about it.
So Father Victor is saying that there still, Father's hope is very high that there is still room for negotiation which can bring an amicable end. Ojan Bukuma Murung say same question to me. Lady given the charges mayam DPD. Must charges madam mayamar say the Paminaraga Wari Saba, Karakra Handoknova, Catholic Sustain Handokpa, Aduga, People's War Group Christian Handokpa, Aduga, amicable end number Putopasi or Tazi Vibrasini.
Yam Hazai Haitareko, Madam de Jose Koi Father Victor and Haibasida, Makoina, Moye, war victims, Saigadra, conflict zone, the lady Vasigi, what. Our Taraba Sata Tara school the POIC Kana Bayani have you up and be Tamed and a see I'm positive over response nearly low ID. Madam the 10 PYIP the way Kadai walked away I get with the Taugani have positive over attitude and the Woodley the school to Catholic Educational Society. Taramo to talk the way come see say Mangata way Anita way Ohum way Sahi couldn't get Tarasu lap the way. People's War Group, I say, couldn't get Tara Moina school sing the stand by say Catholic Educational Society Makada Belly than Toriba school, Tari Nipan Sida, Satra Humdra Humdrani, Sahi couldn't get Satra Humdra lacked the Pasuya ever. War victim, the Sabian tea lacked the Pasuya, Karib was Sahi the 2 cut the lack was ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ 3 ꯈꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ 15 ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ 10 ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯦꯊꯣꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯔꯥꯏꯠꯂꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ 10 ꯆꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯆꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ 10 ꯆꯜꯂꯨꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯥꯗꯤꯀꯜꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯔ ꯄꯔꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯤꯞ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯩꯅꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯩꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯦꯊꯣꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯅꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯃꯗꯤ ꯊꯝꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝꯅꯦꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ आइडेंटिफाई ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯊꯤꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦꯕꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯉꯩꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯜꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯜꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇꯣ ꯐꯥꯔ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯐꯥꯔ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟda ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯗꯨꯗꯤ it will be forever for his or her life aduna sigi trauma mayamdu khalakanda aina propose am khak taweba madudi tawbiganu changibasidi changre leigrasanu adu tungda amuk tawdana ba warning di tawbi ba sigumba ngasai war victim ne se kanana identify tawgadage se sigi posida su yam pro aduna ni aina modality amadi leiba faina kale adu haujiki leiba situation se di matam su leiram dar leiram maro yamna aduna leiba situation se di yanaba yabagi pot am khatai uzai maram di Catholic Educational Society na su masi tawra iba proposal se khanabagi pot leire somda su yaraga masing nungjingi pot ki yanabam di soi leira kane kali tawdabu aina parents ama aina ai experience ta thengna jabase masigi modality se madi yanaba modality ma da wa out to fai natraga di people's war tara koi conflict zone dagi chal harega di atopa atai haira aroidra hairak kadra hairak pu matam da kumai tawba madu kumai accommodate tawba tara laga di loina mo accommodate tawraga di ngasai gi kota gi phibam do musu lak bai pot amusu lak kadori amu akoina kota pam de do kota amusu lak kadori amu ko adu di tara sum low gi na tar humpu ko moi gi da war affected group ki ne se kota haidraga su admai chakraga di atopa akoina ngasai people punamak se chap manaba meeting ama yengning se ko yengba ngamgadra ngamoitraga haibagi pose phajana
Chinaba yes kai redu oja ko je baro hojiki ofum jine oja no kwam thomai si yamti chumba yamchu khangtok pa thi badri dum la kano hai tai wa ga da thamam di oini madudi modality ki karigi maroina mase koina permanent solution ama koina mase thib taragadi handa khaki irang ki lotion graga yari haiba ofum duna taba permanent oba mase solution porokpa du matung do thok tana ba haiba gi phim du thi taragadi modality am chu thi doko phagani aduga taseng tasina swai se identification kari kari pangai dhara ka chandori brai sam nare kanda war victim ne se kana haidoi no wari ni swai sum question ti dum thoko ma sa bu ba kamai thamining
sigi matang se matam da di usagi akhoi si Indian constitution na bind tawraga laiba masu oibanina so akhoi gi non state actors singi akhoi gi revolutionary singi oiba wafam duna tongan tham moi gi just they want their demand that's all khatane ba so akhoi education department na ta education minister sin every student organization sing je invite tawbiro Catholic mission su invite tawbiro body im sembiro body sidai da representative am yawbiro student body ma'am dagi adagi Catholic society de su representative am yawbiro si yawro matung sida hairi ba body common body asina door to door chalaga ju verify tawba yare whether the person is really a poor or is a widow or is a war victim lo identify to yare ha jam ha jani sum game sum injin bai wafu mata ba asuk lisang chikna 2001 dagi Catholic Education Society thola problems nang asing from the government sina concrete policy puthok pidabse madu fault ni haizabani da ina haizina emission gi matam toina irang thokani ba ngasi people work group na haibse yare khalase ba next xyz among sung lakhini ba KP haigara KA haigara natra amit lakhini ba ota gadi masidis da khoi honorable education ministry amna sincere su oiba mi mani ina initiative su longning bo mo oiba ni ade lobo mana lobiro mai quarter ko pro ko biro ta mai office ta ko biro khoi mam se representative mo lapiro Catholic Society is a Malapiro, Adagi student organization, Mamma Lapiro, Laka the Bodim Sembiro.
Okay.
How do I identify the way? It's very easy.
Okay.
The problem can be solved.
Father Victor is you are not showing the outright rejection to the demands. You already created one room for negotiation. But still the question is, this time you given some of the demand, you are fulfilling some of the demand, like given free education to, given admission to like 10 students, like. In the future, some organization may come up to you, then how we are going to tackle the situation, and what is the idea regarding the permanent solution to bring a permanent solution in Manipur?
I think so. Sir Gunajit has very clearly mentioned it. If all the groups can amicably come and decide it for this one, and we are most happy to give. But each group is coming with each demand, as Sir Nabakush sir said. Then once again we are going back to the quota system. Then we will be once again helpless.
Okay. So, last year, on 25 February, 25 February, the Lamdi PD, some Narakanda, Swagi area, see your perfume lagadi, Sarkar to Mina Levy Agadra, some Narakanda, yes, policy program, chamber education, policy chamber, Kopogi. What I'm sorry, that is, I think, long term plan. But 25 Naxila Gadoni, short term plan, Kato.
Government su proactive oirakani khali proactive su oigu mani hauji oirakani khali ase sidagi he namu ena proactive oirakani haibani degree in terms of degree da maram di hauji hangna ba khona ba hona ba sida dum tauri ngasai akoi gi Father Victor na panbada honorable minister na principal mayam kauri sumaitna satra organization su kaurak pa yain khali he na tungsi da he na asa tausi ko let us hope aduga kun manga bausi gi manungda ngasai akoi na Father Victor na haidi ba damaina kitang khana na magi romam kak leiram ni na amtang phamin na re raga khana tho eraga problem si solve tok tho eraga matung da su masi amuk lakna ba kari to ba ya ba ge adu long term plan na su khana tho aga leiraga masi da su sarkar na su students organization sing na su parents sing na kan da gi su pressure group ki na kan da gi su adai civil society gi su mayam punna masi gi oiba pot si da ma gi oiba mot so dum lakna gani aduna naraga apunba amakak tauraga aidi masigi problem se solution oina tausi natraga di mang dori se koi Manipur sini mang doi se koi na mang doi se haibagi appeal se taujage aduga hauji pau koi na khanari bada leiri bo wapam sidagi aina uzabada di hauji kitang positive oiba step khara laeng khale soidna nongni ni sida khanara ga ne khale khanara kanda masigi solution se 25 yodringa da problem se solve tauraga adum peacefully akoi academic atmosphere ama leiba ya haibagi asadu ai thamjage.
Okay, Gunajit tentakna oja no kwan thambi bada sarkar kitang proactive hoining haibani sigi susta sarkar gi intervention se kitang tapra natraga sarkar intervention torok top se amrom da kai phai swai da yan ningai maram thiu na phai kai kan bi program thambi
hoji bokki na lady film sida di aina sum phangjaba manung gi sum nipung paw hai tare education minister is very apprehensive for the solution kai no kan da makoi gi new government ni BJP government ni sida da problem to paje kya pamde na I apet uzai hai tare ona just only lady se trigger du khatane ba magi small invitation to neba almost RSF ka su atopa student body ga su dum koi wari watai sanana khosam naraga quota system si all together muthatasi habigi da yana ba khoi manung gi su oiba khara yana jaba khara dilai jare koi student organization khara su aduna adigi student organization khara amdi already shimo logidre if I am not wrong father logidre ba aduna adagi khoi gi lawri ba si quota si kamai lawri no si Father when clear to Tambidi, Yamsin Hakan, student organization, low libra, security forces, and low libra, XYZ, and low libra, white and low libra, came high video because you do. Anyway, solution about the Suyo Chodan Lani have a sea, a cheap but has a village, can acquaint a tatness of when appeal to Zari, Anuna, education minister side that the Aquina Salagadi, Tojadri, channel, the proper channel, the Aquina, some nice Javani, moina mapi mapani na ek kovira puno ngai jaba hai tare akhum mang he chatlaga angang ni ngai jaw to buju pamjadaba absine da hai kanda ada ai wakanda I believe that within this coming 1-2 days ngasi nong ni si manungda soidana education minister na khoi bu mayam sibu MSU desam MSF KSA suk leibi mayam sing se loi bu invite to birakanda once and for all solution purani se I believe in this.
Okay, Father Victor, before I conclude, that Professor Ozan Nabukar already suggested that the government should play some proactively, and then the Gunajit also suggested that all should sit together for a permanent solution. So according to you, just my question is, do you think that this is time has come to intervene by the state government, or what you are saying that the government should play a proactive role?
Yes.
What is you saying?
Actually, Honorable Education Minister yesterday he called me. He said to settle this. We have to settle this issue at the earliest, and then after that we will have a nice education policy. And whatever government help you need, you let us know. We will extend our help. But what I want to say is that we are living in a community. I have not made my mistake intentionally. Certain time I can make my mistake without my knowledge. All I want is that we are always open to negotiation, and we always would like to have peace and in our education institution, so that we can, for me, last few days I am not able to concentrate my administration. So if we can provide a good educational environment, then we can work better for our students' benefit.
Okay. So, Father Victor and Professor Gunajit and Ozan Nabukumar. So, before I ending this Manung Hunda, just I would like to thanks that it is due to your presence that this Manung Hunda is just completed. So, once again, thank you all the panelists. Ngasi kita tadi Impact News gi Manung Hunda matang solution jena batanjai role adulam dam se tholiba thokdo wathok kya gi marik sumba report kita Impact News mi yang ta duna lebio.